Hello dear traders, welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil, and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. To do the update also on what we spoke yesterday. So there was a down day yesterday, so I suggested a potential drop on the British pound, and we exactly had that drop. So basically market took the multi-day low at 1.2685 and it closed at 1.2632 yesterday. Today so far we see just a very tight consolidation, but overall there is a still chance for the lower prices. The downside objective based on this structure is set at the price of 1.2 or 547, and that is also the area around this rising trend line, which is a major trend line in the last couple of months. So downside continuation in the play, and some upside corrections are pretty normal after such a big down day like we had yesterday. We speak about the gold market, so nothing really changed since our previous forecasts. The downside breakout of the triangle pattern and the rising trend line, the re-break of this area at 19 to 22 mark, and plenty potential for the further downside development, short-term, mid-term speaking on the gold. The downside reference points are set at 1858 and 1810 mark, so those are the downside objectives. On the gold, the key resistance is set at 1970 mark. Speaking of the crude oil, we can see that market got rejected here. So the key support at 67 held pretty good. We got an up day and market is still in this very well defined trading range. So we will see how the gold will develop and how the crude oil will develop in the next period. If the market can break 66.90, can open the door for the lower prices towards the 63.75. If market just build and take the 69.96 mark, then there is a chance for retest of resistance at 72.60 mark. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, the key level to watch is the 31,000 mark. So far in the last couple of days, we can see that there is a consolidation, and we have the resistance at 31,500 mark and support at 29,850 mark. So eventual breakout of this range can confirm further direction. If the market can trade below 29,800 mark, it can open the door for the lower prices towards the 28,460 mark. If the market can trade above and hold above 31,400, then that can open the door for 33,000, 34,000 levels to be in the play. So that will be all for this update, guys. Hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.